Hey, this is Dallas with Strickland Life Insurance Company. Wanted to talk a little bit about term life. I know most of us know that it lasts for a period of time. These days, 5 years to up to 40 years, with pretty large benefit amounts. But one thing in particular I wanted to talk about was a convertible term life policy. Convertible term life insurance is a type of life insurance term policy that gives you the option to convert it into a permanent life insurance policy in the future without undergoing a medical examination. This is huge. The conversion can typically be done at any point during the term or before reaching a certain age. I think it's usually around 65 is when they stop that age where you convert to permanent. The benefits of convertible life insurance, obviously is flexible. You're the truth is you're going to pay, maybe a little bit more than you would if it wasn't convertible, but you may not. I've seen many situations where they give you a very competitive rate on your term policy, and it's just a policy. It's not a rider. It's not an extra. It's a type of policy that is designed to be convertible. So it's flexible. You start with the term life policy, which is more affordable, and you have the option to convert it later when your financial situation improves or your needs change. The no medical exam required is huge. The ability to convert without a medical exam is a significant benefit. This means that even if your health declines, you can still obtain permanent coverage at the original policy's health rating. And that's the health rating for the age that you are at that point, not when you started the term. Peace of mind knowing that you can get your family covered in the short term for a lot less money, but when you're, let's say, 20 years older and you're making more money, you can get a permanent policy where you can pass on a legacy to your children. You can use for retirement. You can use for emergencies. You can build cash value. You can invest in the stock market. Or you can just do a traditional whole life policy and have a death benefit for your family. When to consider a conversion is when you have a change in financial situation. So it can be halfway through the term, you're starting to make a lot more money, you go ahead and convert. Or if your health conditions increase or develop, it's a great way to get maximum coverage because you may be uninsurable at the end of the term. And then long-term planning. As you age, your insurance needs may shift from providing income replacement to ensuring estate planning and living a legacy. There's a funnel. There's kids in school. There's income. There's expenses, all taking money. And then when the kids are older and your retirement, you need income because you no longer have income. So it can provide income for you. It can help with medical bills, and it can help with Social Security that's going to go down at least a third in the next 10 years. So talk to your agent about a conversion policy. You can call me 404 640 4286,